Hello friends, now we will see the SSB transmission by using phase shift method. Phase shift method for SSB generation. Very much popular method of SSB generation. So here the disadvantage of the filter method are minimized to a greater extent. Here modulating signal is coupled to the balance modulator 1 and the modulating signal is 90-degree phase shifted with the help of 90-degree phase shifter and coupled to the balance modulator 2. The 90-degree phase shifter, it is coupled in between these two balance modulator, where one carrier signal it is coupled to the balance modulator 2. This arrangement is made in such a way that lower sideband has to be suppressed. The output of both balance modulators are added. Then it coupled to a linear amplifier where SSB signal will be obtained. Now the modulating signal and the carrier add in such a way that with the help of 90-degree phase shifted, here actually 0-degree phase shifted balance modulator 1, second balance modulator input it is 90-degree phase shifted, means modulating signal here m of t plus 90 degrees, okay, and additional phase shift of 90 degrees provided to the balance modulator 2. During that the carrier is getting added at the balance modulator 2. So one side of this balance modulator 1 and the balance modulator 2, the difference into the phase shift takes place and the carrier and one of the sideband it is getting suppressed. So here this is very much suited for the lower sideband suppression. If we want to couple to suppress the upper sideband, then carrier source need to be applied in between the 90-degree phase shifter and balance modulator 1. So the necessary calculation of the carrier modulating signal and the carrier takes place and lower sideband will be get suppressed and only upper sideband will be get selected as a single sideband. It has certain advantage that it can generate SSB at any frequency. Second one is low frequency modulating signal can be used. Third one is sideband switching is easier. Just carrier source you need to change from one place to other place. It has certain disadvantage that the design of 90-degree phase shifting network has become critical. Exactly 90-degree phase shift getting is the main problem in this one. So this was phase shift method for SSB generation. Thank you.